Hi angels, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is how to stay focused during online school. I think this video is going to be super important for you guys because generally I feel like you can get good grades and try to stay motivated, but whether you are focused or not really makes a huge difference on whether you actually get the good grades or try to stay motivated. So in this video I'm just going to be teaching you guys things that might help you stay motivated. And this video is just going to be short, sweet, and to the point so that you guys can just learn what you need to learn and then go do it for yourselves. So I hope you guys like this video. Again, make sure to comment down below. I did want to say if there are any videos that my comments are turned off, that wasn't me. It was YouTube that decided to turn my stuff off. So let's just get straight on into the video. Make sure you guys subscribe so you don't miss another video and hit the notification bell so you'll be informed when I upload a new video. Okay, let's just get straight on into it. So my very first tip is to set school times. This is like times that you're gonna hammer out certain things. So like take an hour to do your projects, or take like 2 hours in the morning to do some work and then take a break and then 2 more hours. This way you stay motivated and stay focused on what you need to do and you don't get distracted. I think that if you set timers for when you're supposed to be doing work, you'll really concentrate on that. So I think this one would really help, and I actually try to do this on the daily. My next tip for you guys is to start every day fresh. So do things that motivate you and give you energy for the day, whether that be like turning on your diffuser to make your room smell good, taking a shower, exercising. Just do things that make you feel good, eating breakfast so that you stay motivated to do your work and that you are really invested in what you're going to do for the day. So I think this also goes with like the first tip is to like set school goals. If you have the energy to do it, then you're more likely to stay focused on what you need to do for the day. So keep that in mind and try to get as much energy as you can so that you can knock out as much work. My third tip for this video is to set a schedule, meaning like get a routine. Figure out whether you're a morning, night, or day person and just start doing the work when you have the most energy. Again, do things that make you have energy. When you are the most motivated to do work, don't force yourself to do work because the last thing you want to do is to stress yourself. So just make sure that you are doing things at a certain schedule and having a routine so that your body gets used to doing those types of things. But again, don't force yourself to do anything because you don't want any stress. Just make sure that you're trying to set a schedule for yourself so that your brain just instantly is like, hey, you need to work. My next tip for you guys is to set social media breaks, meaning it doesn't have to be social media, it could also be just TV breaks. This means set times where you want to take a break and just relax. This way it's kind of like rewarding yourself. You're like, hey, I set a timer to do 2 hours of work and now I can watch my favorite show and look through Pinterest, look through Instagram, and not having to worry about stressing. This way you're not stressing over whatever you may stress over your schoolwork, and you're also rewarding yourself because you know that you did a good job by actually doing your schoolwork. Right now I'm watching The Secret Life of an American Teenager. It's not my favorite show, but I want to finish it just because I like to get through all the shows. So reward yourself and don't stress. Again, this is a major thing. Don't stress over the little things. The last and final tip is to do the hard work first and then the easy stuff. I honestly do this all the time. Like biology gives me so much work, so I just have to like science, I just like have to do all that work before, and then when it comes to world history, I do it like last in English because I don't have as much work. So if you do knock out the things that are hard at first, then it's gonna make the rest of the day go by faster and you won't stress as much. So that is it for this video. I hope you guys liked it. I hope that you learned something from it. Again, it was short, sweet, to the point. So hopefully you can go back and figure out what you want to use to help you guys stay focused. I think it's super important just to motivate you guys. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Stay tuned until the next video. I love you guys so much. Subscribe to be part of the Angels team. Also hit that notification bell to be part of #Angels notification team. Stay tuned until next Sunday's video because I promise you guys it will be an amazing one. Bye guys.